We got a lot of people in here, don't we? Thank you. A lot of people in here. So you guys are book 101, huh? Starting out in book 101. Loving, you guys having fun? Awesome. When you get to book 401, that's what you'll be doing what they call a testimony. Anybody know what a testimony is? What is it?
When someone comes and speaks about a story of their life.
You got it, buddy. About how they became a Christian, huh? It's pretty awesome. What's awesome about testimony is that nobody can argue with you. When you tell your story, nobody can argue. You tell them your story, how you became a follower of Jesus. It's pretty powerful. So we have 4 of them tonight for you. Okay, Christy's going to start. After we're done, we'll give you a chance if you want to ask any questions. It's cool. Okay? Any questions that come up, you guys can ask. Okay? Ready? Cool, Christy, you're up.
Hi, my name is Christy Takarada, and I've been going to church since I was little. As I grew up, I learned new things, but I didn't really understand them. For instance, the church talked about some man named Jesus that performed miracles. When they said miracles, I thought they were going crazy for a minute. But when I was in junior kindergarten, I was in kids class for the first year, and I comprehended what my leaders were talking about towards the end of it. The thing I understood the most was that if you ask Jesus to be your Savior, He will lead your way to heaven. Soon later, when I was only 5, I accepted Christ into my heart. I lived by faith in the Son of God who loved me and He gave Himself for me. Galatians 2:20 says, I accepted Christ on a Friday in chapel at Mission Hills Christian School as we were doing a closing prayer, and I thought I was ready for God to lead my life. Right after school, I remember my mom picked me up, and I told her what I did in chapel, and she picked me up and was so happy for me. Then a few years later, I got baptized at Saddleback with Pastor Craig, and all my family was happy for me because they knew God was with me. As years went on, I knew and reminded myself that God was with me all the time, even when I sinned, because He already forgave me by dying on the cross. And as I'm growing up, people know me as a short, nerdy girl that likes to talk a lot and is really annoying. I even got told names for being like this from some of my swim friends. I never really liked how people treat me during my swim practices in the past year, but it always reminds me of Romans 12:14-15, which says, bless those who persecute you, bless those and do not curse. Rejoice with those who rejoice, mourn with those who mourn. And I learned that if someone makes fun of you, they're not your friend. And I know that my family and God love me, and I think I'm a fun, cool girl. Lastly, I am happy to be a part of God's family, and I know that He's in me.
You guys have any questions for Christy? Devin?
Any questions? I have one. When you say you're persecuted, you persecuted like being a Christian? You ever had anybody make fun of you for it?
No, they just make fun of me for being short.
For being short? You guys have any questions? Just taking it all in? How old were you when you accepted? 5 years old. Wow. Do you remember that?
Are you going on a mission trip? And I know the answer is yes, but where are you going and why?
Costa Rica, because I just feel like if I go, I can help them, I can share my heart story, because I don't know if they have a lot of Christians there.
Where was that now? Costa Rica.
Cool. Good job.
Speak Spanish? Whatever, don't want to quit. Okay, muy bueno.